These are the pictures along Timboni Road in Watamu area of Kilifi County. Raging floods that have been experienced here for the last 2 days, sweeping through this road and leaving hundreds displaced. Transport has been paralyzed and businesses abandoned.
Maji yote ya kutoka Timboni stage ni juu, kutoka na huku area posta ni juu, yote yanakuja hapa ambayo yamekuwa kero kubwa.
According to the residents, the poor drainage system has complicated the situation.
Watoto wa shule wanapita hapa kila siku. Alafu nimeona watoto wengi sana sasa wakienda lunch, wanaingia kwa hii maji wanapitia katikati ambao ni it is health hazard. We don't want that.
In Vanga area of Kwale County, hundreds of people have been displaced following heavy rains that have pounded the area for the past 1 week. Residents say many areas have now been cut off after rains washed away local roads. In the next 2 days, a similar situation could be experienced in more other parts across the country. The Meteorological Department has already warned that more flooding and severe weather is expected in several other counties. According to the weatherman, heavy rainfall of more than 30 millimeters in 24 hours is expected over several places in Wajir, Garissa counties and over parts of Mandera, Isiolo and Marsabit counties. The heavy rainfall is also likely to continue on Thursday over the northern parts of Wajir and Marsabit counties. Residents in low-lying areas and dry riverbeds have been advised to be on the lookout for flash floods. Further, the weatherman has warned that flood water may suddenly appear in places where it has not rained heavily and can be deeper and fast-moving than it appears. Makori Ongechi, Citizen TV, Nairobi.